One day, Raman saw salt and sugar completely disappear. It was in a magic show. The magician had made the salt and sugar disappear by mixing them with water. And when he tried the same trick at home, well, he made a mistake. Instead of sugar, he mixed pepper in water. And so his magic trick had failed that time. And his cousins Ramesh and Somesh had made a lot of fun of him. So what he thought was that this time he will prove them wrong and he will show the magic trick again. And now he has learnt that salt and sugar are soluble in water. So he was completely prepared, and when he was ready with the salt and sugar, he went into the kitchen to get some water. Now, in the kitchen, there were two bottles which were looking very similar, but one had water in it and one had oil in it. Now, he did not really notice, and he actually picked up the oil bottle. And when he came in front of Ramesh and Somesh, only then he realized that it is actually oil in the bottle, not water. But then he thought that salt and sugar both are soluble in water, and even oil is a liquid, so that won't be a problem. So he continued his trick with oil itself. Now, when he added sugar to oil and started stirring it, even after a long time, sugar did not dissolve in oil. Now he was worried. Ramesh and Somesh once again were making fun of him. His magic trick had failed once again. And because he was so confused, he asked his mother what exactly is the reason that the same sugar and salt, which was easily soluble in water, is not getting dissolved in oil. Well, his mother informed him that not all things are soluble in all different liquids. For example, while salt and sugar are soluble in water, they are not soluble in oil. That is, they are insoluble in oil. So, while both are liquids, it is not necessary that a solute which will mix in water will also mix in oil. So you see, both are different liquids, and so the solute will behave differently in both the liquids. So Raman had learnt a lesson, and now he wanted to try many different things with oil so that he gets a good idea about what things are soluble in oil and what things are insoluble in oil. So he first of all tried a nail polish remover. So when he mixed the nail polish remover in oil, what happened is, well, it completely got dissolved in oil. That is, it was soluble in oil. There was no trace of nail polish remover in the oil because it was completely soluble. Next, he tried some sand. Now, well, when he added sand into the oil, what happened is, well, the sand settled down. That means sand is insoluble in oil. That is, it does not mix with oil and it will settle down. So he learned that while nail polish remover was soluble in oil, sand is insoluble in oil. Now, what about salt and sugar? Well, he had already tested that salt and sugar are also insoluble in oil. So you see, same things which are soluble in water may not be soluble in oil or any other liquid. So different liquids will behave differently, and different solutes also will behave differently. So if one solute is soluble in a solvent, it is not necessary that the same solute will be soluble in a different solvent. And that is why salt and sugar behave differently when mixed in water and when mixed in oil. While there are some solutes such as sand which are insoluble in both oil and water. In fact, sand as an insoluble material. Now, what about nail polish remover? Well, nail polish remover is a solute which is soluble in both oil and water. So there may be some solutes which are soluble in a number of solvents. So you see, there are different types of solute and different types of solvents. And according to their properties, some will be soluble in some liquids, while some will be insoluble in other liquids. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.